Ladies and gentlemen, this is my first time I record a video in English. So, I just got an opportunity to all of you that if you want to get rich, actually, if you want to make $100,000 in this 21 days, and this opportunity actually is a very strong opportunity. Why? Because I'm gonna explain it later, right now in the final when I show you. But if you want to reach $100,000 a month, in less than 21 days, and you want every single checkpoint in that funnel that you need to reach that point, this video will show you every single thing. I mean, sales, marketing, paid ads, organic content, how to sell them in the fucking DMs, how to refuse to consume content and just create content and to go viral. And by the way, I don't care if I go viral or not. I care about a community of people that I will change their life, I will change their mindset, and they will pay me. This is how it works. In this mindset, you should have. So, if you want to learn every single thing that I talk about it, just watch this video. I will open that funnel right now and I will show you exactly how to reach it. Okay, so this is the funnel. Okay, I built the funnel just to show you. Okay, the target is first thing first, 10,000, 20, 50 grand, then 100 grand a month. Okay, paid community. Okay, there's 4 ways to sell online things, or drop shipping, physical product, or your time, service, or information. We're gonna choose the last 2 things, service and information. I want you to start learn about drop service, drop info product operating, info product growth agency, social media marketing agency. All of these stuffs is in the same umbrella. In the same umbrella. I'm talking seriously right now. So, we're gonna use YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and paid ads. Every single part of them will end in call to action. And this call to action will lead them to a school community, or a WhatsApp community, or a Discord community, Telegram community, whatever you want to create a community, just start. Okay. So we're gonna choose the first 4 things: TikTok, IG, which is Instagram, YouTube, and paid ads. All of them will funnel to the exact same thing, the community. How it works? So simple. If you are on TikTok, you're gonna create a content, organic content, big value, dozens of value, long or short content. Hey, by the way, long form content in TikTok, they make stuff. Okay, then ads. If you want to create ads, paid ads. Okay, all of them. CTA, which is call to action, link in bio, visit YouTube, all funnel to the community. Okay, the about page is that shows all what inside the community. Okay, about page. I mean school about page or landing page, waiting list, whatever. You need to show them what inside the community. What will they get if they get the paid community? Okay, so in on Instagram, which is more easier because of the ManyChat system. Comment this word, comment that word, keywords, in the comment, and the AI automation that will send them in the direct message. So content, okay, viral videos, provide value. This is in Arabic. If you want Arabic, which is authentic video, and sales video, all end in call to action, DMs, pain point, which is aware or unaware pain points. Offer them the service or the info product that you want to sell them, lead them to the community, and building the trust and offering them to join the community to learn and to fix the problem that they have. Call to action to the community. The same in YouTube, which is YouTube is so important because I think 80 to 85, 90% of your sales will come from YouTube, because that person who click your video because of the title and the thumbnail, and they interested in what you gonna offer them the value that you want to give them in the video will lead them to the community. So long videos, TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, which is the main thing, is so strong. Offer call to action to school, about page to watch the what inside video, and to if you want to create challenge. By the way, challenges is so strong, and I will show you exactly how to do it. And the last thing is ads: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, promotion, whatever you want. Here are the three things. Call to action to the community. Okay, so what actually is challenges? Challenges is, if you know monk mode, okay, monk mode, which is minimum 21 day, maximum 30 days. So if you funnel them to the community and you will say them, hey, I will show you exactly how to do this work, to do this thing, to do that thing, to do 1, 2, 3, 4, XYZ, whatever you wanna offer them to the community, whatever you give value in the community, whatever that problem you solve in the community, you need to, if you want them to just stay in the community for 3, 5, 6 months, you need to do something that will let them stay in the community, will handle them, okay, will hook them to stay in the community. So the best thing is monk mood challenge. How it's work? Okay, it's work at 21 day, the first challenge. The second challenge is 30 days. So between them is a fucking 1 month, then 60 days, then 90 days, then 45 days, 50 days, whatever. Okay, so this is strong, and this opportunity I will offer you to do. I will teach you exactly how to do this in your community. If you want to start drop service, especially SMA or IPGA or info product operating, I will teach you exactly. Same in info product operating, self-improve, monk mood, how to focus, dopamine detox, how to create content, how to build a successful YouTube channel, how to go viral on social media. All of this I will teach you inside the community. Right now, I'm building the community because I'm Muslim and it's haram to scam someone. So I just want you to subscribe the channel, okay? When the community done, I will offer you to join my community. It will be a low ticket. I mean, $50 to $99. That's it. And I will not offer this to 10,000, 20,000, 45,000, or 100,000 person like Andrew Tate was saying, Iman Gadzi was saying, to hundreds of thousands of people. No, I just want 1,000 human being in my community, inside my community. I will teach you exactly 101, live chat, live calls, sales calls, whatever you want to learn inside the community, I will teach you that exactly. So until that moment, I'm waiting for you. I'm rooting for you here in the success side. If you see the funnel, I built this just right now. My team is so excited, and I built the past 4 or 5 years over 100 million dirhams just in drop service. So if you want to learn this, wait for it. Subscribe and wait till the next video. Thank you very much. I will see you later.